What's good, YouTube? Spirit FX here once more. Now, I've not been able to do my analysis for a while. I don't know, my chat has not just been loading up for some weird reason, but it's finally loaded up. So this is on Gbpjpy, right? We'll make it quick. So what do we have? Like you all know, if you've been watching my videos, we actually bought here. That price range here since on Monday. I think we bought here on Tuesday in the afternoon towards the evening time. So I've been watching price since Monday, which was on the 16th of March. We later bought here. Price gave 2 entry, meaning we reclaimed this other block, and then we gave a SMB entry right here. But what the price do went up, and as soon as it started going up, I told you what happened. I exited, and the grace of God, exited this trade. When I exited it, the message of God, boom, fell down. So yeah, I'm glad I exited that trade. Thank God I exited that trade. So yeah, so this is where we are now. I don't see anything happening on Gbpjpy, honestly, because if you pay attention, this is disruption for that flow, right? So we came down. All we had to do is maybe go up and what now? Come down again. You get to break this low, but we went up and we came down to this low, and we failed to break it. And we've sprung back up again. I see this. Based on the fact that we sprung back up again, it's not giving me any vibes as though this thing wants to go down again. So what do? We react, just as simple as that. Seeing as this is the high, because you see 1, 2, right, and then there's the low. I think this was double top, or what do we trade back then? So this is the high, and then this is the low. If price, like we did with gold, price breaks above here with the SMB, we buy and push up. Price breaks below here. For now, there's nothing going on. Price breaks below here. We look for sales, or sell down to this external. Nothing else. My confluence as to why this thing seems like it to buy is, but I don't even know, honestly speaking. If he wants to buy, he should buy. If he wants to sell, to sell. I don't really even care. My duty is just, as you just mistakenly play one wrong play to my side, I will do my part and go and sleep. So yeah, I don't know about complicating things, my dear. Simplify things. There's no need stressing yourself. Or so you see, it's something similar to the one we had on gold. So if it's up, we won't go to no wahala. If it's down, we go to no wahala. Have entry models for both. Whether it will hold, that's the thing. So yeah, that's it for gold. After I said that for Gbpjpy, let's now go to gold. I've done the analysis on gold prior to now. If you see this daily displacement, the price is not really close underneath it. It closed here. This signaling signs of reversals. Right, signaling signs of reversals. If you go to the 4 hours, you see we really did not close underneath it. Let me just do it so it will look more precise also. So it's more or less like a sweep, right? So sweep daily low. It's looking like we're about to reverse, right? This was our trade for the last week. Beautiful trade by the grace of God. So yeah, that's how these 2 trade on gold on Wednesday and then on Friday. Yeah, so to the trade here, I think it was on Wednesday night stroke Thursday, and then Friday. That's when I took this other one. After price running into our fee. I've explained this. If you don't understand the explanation, go and look at our YouTube page. So all the other legs, I would have left this thing, honestly. It's looking more or less confusing now. Lower low, high. See, I've been sincere with you. Lower low, high. I'm not here to form one goal is my concern. But it means I've been in this game for a while. None of those things matter at all. Make profits, withdraw, eat, move on. So I'll be assuming things. This actually broke the low on the hourly time frame. Right, and my internal structures are more or less hourly. So if I had not breaking this low, then this would have not been a low high. So this is our structure. And the rules of order flow, the very last two BOS are yours. So yeah, let's see. So it went to this high, started coming down from 1, 2, 3 candle in series SIQ, then broke it. So that's for that. Came to this high. This is the highest high. We came here. This is like a dual. Close under, close above, dual. But in case that one does not, it doesn't seem dual enough. Right, this one too is here. So based on the dual SIQ or the series SIQ, this one swept above and this one closed under. Either the wick or the body of the candle, but this is weak, swept above, closed under. So it's also still a dual, and that one still does not make sense. So we are seeing we have like two dual here. I want to make this video very short. I don't want to waste your time. Two dual, right? And then what do we have again? I don't even know what to call any of this thing right here, because it was more or less noise, and then finally broke that. So it looked like series, multiple countdown, then one big breakdown. Right, so looking more or less like series, but I don't want to just move market. So, but it is series. I just don't want to mark it. So that's what. So what do? We wait. Seeing as price on the 4-hour time frame is showing signs of reversals, I'm actually believing that we'll actually sweep this IDM. My belief is that we'll come back and sweep this IDM before we reclaim and come down. That's my own. Other than that, we have the fifth tool we employed the last time, right? But this move is not just as impulsive. It's not impulsive enough, honestly. It's not impulsive enough. This market move down. It's not impulsive. Let me show you the market move down from Thursday. The reason why we employed was this. What am I saying? My God. Now this move on Gbpjpy, I will get there. Okay, this was 1 to 2. This was exactly what I needed. I'll get that. I'll explain to you that video, that setup. So look at the move. Why are my tools not showing? It's my network. Look at the move from that Friday, from Thursday. How many pips down do you see? You seen how impulsive this thing is? Now look at the move. You can't even compare it. This one is like negative 5.4%. This one is more or less looking like negative 7. It's just too impulsive. We'll have to reclaim. We'll have to come into fib level. Right, like this one now. For no reason whatsoever will I come here and say I'm waiting for a reclamation. That's just how it is. I'm looking for fib level. Like I'll now draw this box like the previous one, and then I start saying, why is my chart mouse not saying fib? No, I want to do this. This looking like I want to pull the rug on myself. If it doesn't do what I'm waiting for, which is sweep IDM and reclaim another block there, I'm not trading this thing. So this one is also a scenario, but I'm not trading it. Even if it comes, I'm not trading, because definitely when we get to this point, we must see reaction. But I already know what I'm looking for. IDM sweep, and I'm not looking for this. So even if we see reaction, it's not my concern. I have to do what I'm looking for. That's the truth. So yeah, I'm waiting for that on go. So that's my analysis on Gbpjpy and CAD gold. Now on CAD JPY, guess what happened? I've been waiting